Are you tired of struggling with misaligned drawer installations? Then get ready to discover the Universal Drawer Slide Jig, the tool that will revolutionize how you work with drawers. With this solution, installing slides becomes quick, precise, and error-free. If you want professional results, whether for small or large projects, this tool is exactly what you need. The jig holds the drawer slides in place while you drill the mounting holes, completely eliminating the guesswork. And the best part? It supports different types of slides: side, center, ball bearing, or even epoxy-coated. This means you can use it for virtually any project, from home renovations to professional woodworking jobs. This tool was designed for both beginners and professionals alike. No matter your skill level, with the Universal Drawer Slide Jig, you'll get perfect and consistent results, saving time and avoiding rework. Just use a clamp, and you're good to go. The installation will be aligned and leveled flawlessly. Imagine not having to waste time adjusting misaligned drawers anymore. This jig aligns perfectly with the cabinet frame and keeps everything in place while you secure the slides. The built-in guides make the process even easier and faster. You'll be able to assemble drawers in record time, whether at home or for your business. Now, you can take your productivity to the next level and ensure your drawers are always perfectly installed. Whether you're working on a single piece of furniture or a larger project, this jig is the ideal tool to transform your work. Want to learn more? The link with an exclusive discount is in the description of this video. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to get the tool that will make your life easier and deliver professional results in every drawer installation. And remember, I always bring you tested and approved products, the ones that really make a difference. Buy now and start transforming the way you install drawers.